Hi, back again. I've now switched from using the 1:49 ratio Unen to using with this connector has been removed and replaced with this connector. The antenna is also being changed. I'll be using a dipole antennas. I have a double bazooka 10-meter antenna, simple 40-meter dipole and a 30-meter dipole, and I'll be operating CW. And I'll be using a straight key for the hunter operations, and it's a pretty simple operation, and I'll set it up next. This simple setup covers all three dipoles: the double bazooka 10-meter antenna used for CW, the 40-meter CW antenna, and the 30-meter CW antenna on the workband. This is the new connector I'm using for setting up the system. So here we go. That's the base for the system. This cable will be used for connecting the HF rig to the antenna system. And this long 20-footer cable is going to be used for connecting the dipole antennas. The same setup is for all three separate dipole systems for CW. I activate this 100, and the activators at the box collect all the points and the rewards. I'm KC2CWN. Thanks for watching.